Yeah, sup guys, what's going on? Um, yeah, welcome to this blog website creation. In this tutorial, I want just to give you a brief explanation on what you are going to achieve if you purchase for this course on blog websites. Most people will be talking about what really is blog website. A blog website is a website that where you can write and post and for other people to see, such as um, news outline and so on and so forth. So in this tutorial, I will be teaching you on how you can buy your domain name and hosting, how you can point your domain name and installation, how you can decide the kind of theme, and how you can also create your first page, and also how you can create and publish on your first post. Now let me show you how a blog website look like, because I have one already. This is my blog website. I have www.amcotech.com.ng. This blog website is all about technology technology blogging. Now as you can see right now, all these things are posts which has been written. Then this here is an advert which is also running, and this is a blog website. So in this course you are going to achieve how you can create something like this, and also with the domain name, because it's a blog website. Now when we're talking about posting, you also learn the back end on how you can write, which is also this, and they also have the dashboard, which is also this one. So in this tutorial you will learn a lot of things to get started on how to create a blog website. So please just join this tutorial by adding this on your WhatsApp and text "I'm interested in blog website tutorial." Then we'll respond to you on how you can start your class. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.